What's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeeps here. Oof, my hair's a mess. But I'm headed right now over to my buddy Taylor's house, who has started wrapping cars, and he's just killing it right now. This is Instagram. But go give him a follow. He's gonna wrap my headlights today, and I'm also needing to order a set of bulbs because one is out. And of course, if I replace one, it's not gonna really be super close in color. It'll be close, I guess, but it won't match exactly. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace both bulbs. So let's go. Man, my car be looking super dirty. I hope that wasn't too loud. I hope it sounded okay on the mic. I'm walking around with the mic now, let my car warm up, but look at how dirty my car is. Yo, that looks terrible. It'll be all right. I'm gonna wash it one day. It's just cold. I just got done editing and uploaded the other video, and my lights come in today. So like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be replacing my lights because I just had my headlights tinted, and for about a week now, I've had one light out. So here they are. They are D2S's. Boom. So we're gonna throw these in. Then I'll have two headlights, not just one, because I've been driving around with one for like a week and a half. So let's throw these in. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Be sure to tune in next week, and next week's video is going to be good, like really good. Like, I'm super excited. It's most of the way recorded. I have a couple more things to record and finish up editing, but it's going to be a banger. I promise you guys that. Thank you again to Taylor, who absolutely killed it. Again, his Instagram you saw earlier, it's also in the description down below. Be sure to give him a follow on Instagram, and if you're in the Chattanooga area or want to make a trip to Chattanooga, hit him up. He killed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys don't miss next week's video. Like I said, it's gonna be a banger. I will see you guys next week.